Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer chicken wings with Slap Ya Mama Cajun seasoning. Let's begin. We have here 10 chicken wings and I'll show you how to cut one of them. All you have to do is just cut right here. There we go. And then for the chicken wing part, you just cut off the tip. Just like that. We have here some Slap Ya Mama Cajun seasoning. And we're just going to sprinkle it on top. There you go. We're going to flip it over and do the same thing. And we're set. Try to use up some of the seasoning on the cutting board. There we go. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button. And we'll get preheated to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the chicken wings. But before we put in the chicken wings, we're just going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. There we go. We're going to put the chicken wings in. We have all 10 chicken wings in. Try to spread them out a little bit. Looking good. Now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 22 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 11 minutes so far at 400 degrees. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip it over. Smells good. Just gonna flip it over real quick. There we go. Try to spread them out a little bit. Now let's put it back in for the last 11 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 22 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking good. Let's take them out. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer chicken wings with Slap Ya Mama Cajun seasoning. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.